All right, you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. We got wifey in the vlog, and in today's episode we're gonna do a DIY, I guess, hood vent here in our beautiful '01 Bullet Mustang. And the reason why I want to do a DIY, I guess, like hood vent is because, you know, the car is getting older. As I've mentioned, you know, in a lot of other videos, you know, the car performs a lot better when the heat is extracted from the engine. And obviously, what better way to actually have that, you know, all that heat being released than to have a functional hood vent. There's gonna be a lot of modifications here. Meanwhile, I get a brand new hood. But I mean, you guys, I'm kind of excited to, you know, tear this thing apart and you know, do something about that. So let's go ahead and get started. We also have some lights or light bulbs to install because these are not working properly, and we have that, I guess, the Mach 1 grill delete that we have to install, or the little emblem, the little horsey that we have to install. I just now removed the little hood scoop, the fake one, the little vent right here, and I am just now getting ready to actually hit this thing with the little I believe they call it, you guys call it a grinder. I'm used to calling it just by the brand, which is Makita. But you know, you can use any brand that you want as long as it's obviously you know, like a cool little grinder. And you're just gonna cut basically this design right here, and you guys shouldn't worry if it comes out nice and clean because it is going to be hidden by the fake scoop anyway. So without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the end result. So for this operation, please don't wear like any of your good clothes. Always protect yourself, you know, get your proper PPE. I'm getting a face mask just because, you know, personally I don't want to be breathing all of the little dust particles, but that's, you know, up to everybody. Definitely use your eyeglasses though, because you're gonna need that because everything flies all over the place. So safety first, and we can start cutting. Good to go? Okay. It's okay. Watch out, be careful. Okay, babe. Babe.
Toxic Victor 101. No.
Stop.
Go on.
Babe, stop. I'm serious. Help me.
Kushina.
Help me. Don't worry, guys. I'm professional. I have my own shop. It's called theneweraxl.com. You know, I work on foreign vehicles. I work on domestic, like Mustangs and Camaros. I do some JDM. I have a couple Hondas out there that I, you know, yeah.
What's stupid?
Okay, you guys, so once you guys are done with the whole cutting, it should look something like this. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because, as you guys see, the box covers this thing right here, so it's not going to be noticeable whatsoever. Unlike if you didn't have the little hood scoop, the outer scoop, obviously you would be able to see it, but in this case you're not. So let me show you the end result, and yeah. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new clip. Obviously this is a couple weeks forward, and we've done a couple things to the car since I really didn't show you guys an end product, I think, for those clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. The car's a little filthy, but it isn't too bad. And just want to tell you guys that next video is gonna be revolving the Camaro and a video shoot we have with our wheel company, and I am stoked to show you guys. So let me show you guys the cars, let me show you guys the hood scoop and how the vent, quote unquote vent, looks. It doesn't look bad at all. You can't even tell that it's there, and it's super functional. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and show you guys basically how cool it is. All right, so I know you guys are not gonna get the best quality of video right now, but as you guys can see, there's the engine right there, and it gets a nice little seep of air when it's on the freeway or highway, whatever you guys want to call it. And when it's not running, it actually releases all the heat that it needs to in order for the engine to stay super cool, which right now I just finished driving this car and it is pretty hot. It almost makes the same work or the same job as this one right here, where this one you can also see through it right there. And so they both work as vents, as you guys can see, except mine is a DIY one. So I hope you guys really enjoyed and like that. It's super easy to do, and I mean, if you're careful with it, then you shouldn't be able to. With that being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed another video. I'm gonna keep bringing content for you guys now that we have both cars looking really mean and really sinister next to each other. I just can't wait to keep bringing you guys all of this content. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and keep tuned for the next video. We're gonna shoot with Rohana, and I am stoked for that. So keep tuned.